Soldier in fatal hit-and-run surrenders. The driver of the car that struck a KISS delivery truck on Thursday, March 28, 2024, along the Solomon Hochoy Highway in Freeport, causing a crash that led to the death of 55-year-old Neil Ballai, reportedly surrendered himself to the T&T Regiment. Confirming this, in a release titled Road Traffic Accident Involving a Service Person, the TTR said, "The service person involved has voluntarily turned himself in under the supervision of a competent military authority." The TTR assured that he was exhibiting full cooperation with the TTPS as investigations continue, indicating they are aware of the reported road fatality on March 28th involving the serviceman and a civilian. The TTR said it remained committed to upholding the highest standards of responsibility and accountability. The TTR's Public Affairs Department reiterated its unwavering commitment to safety both on and off duty. Incidences such as this are taken seriously, and all members of the regiment are reminded of the importance of responsible conduct at all times, the statement said. 55-year-old Neil Ballai of Spring Village, Valsayn, was employed with the KISS Baking Company for the past 17 years and had started off as a salesman before becoming a delivery driver. A dashcam recording of the accident showed that around 6:45 a.m., a black Hyundai Ioniq vehicle hit the KISS delivery truck from behind, causing it to flip and skid along the highway before it veered off the road. The driver of the car did not stop, while other motorists rushed to help the men in the delivery vehicle. Ballai died at the scene, while his 34-year-old co-worker Terrence Jagasar of Komoto sustained injuries and had to be treated at the hospital. Investigations are continuing. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more.